Hi, everybody. So you should have two materials today. The first material is your addition chart. I sent you one that you could print out. If you don't have it, that's okay. You can follow along on the screen. It should have all of the numbers filled in. The next material I gave you is a math problem worksheet. So this worksheet we're going to use so that we can finish the math problem. I have some challenges for you today. So these in the last row are the math problems that we're used to doing in the classroom, but we're going to try some challenges. Mine is going to look a little bit different because I have it up on the computer screen. So it's going to be a little bit of a different color, okay? All right, so everybody hold up your math problems for me. If you don't have the materials printed out, that's okay. All you need is a piece of paper and a pencil. You can just follow along with me. I'm just keeping track of our attendance, and I'm going to share my addition chart with you. My addition chart has lots of different colors on it, so it should help us a little bit better than last time. All right, I'm so happy I get to see all of you. I know it's hard for you to see me, but on my computer screen, I get to see all of your faces really big. So let's look at our math problem sheet. Let's look at it together. The sheet, the paper with all the math problems, let's take a look at it. I'm going to write the first math problem up here, exactly the way it looks on your sheet. Probably would look better if it was black, because the blue is the same color. 1 plus something equals 2. 1 plus something equals 2. That spot right here means that we have to fill it in with a number. I wonder how we can figure that out. Alicia, how do you think we can figure that out?
You can do it by counting numbers.
We can do it by counting numbers, right? So let's try to count. We're going to start at the 1, right? It tells us that we have to start at the 1. Those are the directions. So everybody put your finger on the 1. When I click mine, it's going to show me. So I put my finger on the 1. Now I have a big line down mine. It shows me all of the numbers that can go together to make my answer. So what number am I looking for? It gives me my answer. I'm looking for the number. AJ, what number am I looking for?
1.
Well, I found 1. What's the next number I'm looking for?
4 with smacking me. Nothing.
Well, let's see. Caroline, what number am I looking for next?
2.
2. I'm looking for 2. That's my answer, right? It's after the equal sign. So do I find 2 on the side or do I find 2 under the 1?
Find 2 under the 1.
So let's find 2 under the 1. I found it. Did you find it? I'm going to make it pink so you can see it. So I found it under the 1. So now I have to draw with my finger, I have to find where it touches the side. So I'm going to draw a line straight across. Devlin, what number does it touch on the side?
5.
7.
5? It touches 5.
Now, what number is that? What number is this?
1.
Yeah.
1. Whoa, so we found the blank spot should be a 1. Wow, that's our answer. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Let's see if we can do the next one together. I'm going to write it up here so that everybody can see it. 4 plus something equals 7. Four plus something equals 7. Hi, Lucas. Lucas, I have to start with the number 4, right?
Yes.
So I start with the number 4. Is this a number 4? Is this one the number 4?
No.
No. Is this one the number 4?
Yes.
Thank you for your help. So draw a line with your finger or your pencil all the way down the number 4. And Grace, I'm going to need your help when you're done. Can you look at the camera when you're finished?
Okay.
Underneath of the number 4, we have to find our answer. Which one comes after the equal sign? Grace, can you tell me which number comes after the equal sign?
7.
7. So underneath of 4, can we find 7? Underneath of 4, we're going to find the number 7.
Yep.
Yep, we
It's
found the number 7.
And 4 plus 3 equals 7.
Yeah, if we draw a line, thank you, Grace. If we draw a line from the 7 all the way back to this side, we get 3. So just like Grace said, we're going to say 4 plus 3 equals 7. So far on the board, I have our 2 answers. I'm going to write our next math problem up here. Raise your hand if you'd like to read me the math problem. Devlin, can you read me the next math problem?
7.
We did that one. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Underneath of it, there's another one with a 10. Can you read it to me? 5 plus something equals
10.
Yeah.
Whoa. All right, let's find the number 5 together. Find the number 5. Finley, are you there?
Finley's not there.
Okay. Elise, can you help me? Elise, do you want to help me? I need some help finding the answer to 10. When I get down to the 10, can you say stop? 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Should I stop? Wow, Elise, thank you for your help. Give me a high five. All right, so we stopped at the 10. What number's on the side? If we draw a line, Finley, what
See,
number is this on this side?
1 plus something equals 2. 1 plus
What number
what?
is this?
2.
It's 5. Wow. Did you know that 5 plus 5 equals 10? Let's keep going. All right, I'm going to start this one, but I'm not going to tell you the answer. I'm going to ask a friend to tell me the answer. 9 plus something equals 12. So try to do it on your own, and then we'll do it together. Remember, draw with your finger from 9, not the top, all the way down to 12. See what number it matches with. Raise your hand when you're ready to give me the answer. Caroline and Charlotte? And Alicia, on the count of 3, let's say the answer together. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, say it louder.
3.
Whoa, guys, high five.
Okay.
You're right. 9 plus 3 equals 12. You guys have got the hang of this. All right. Let's see what our next problem is. Three plus something equals 10. Go ahead and try this one. I'm gonna write some of the other ones down while you try this one, and raise your hand when you're ready to tell me the answer. All right, I see Alicia's ready. Give me just a moment, Alicia. All right, Alicia, can you tell us how to do this problem? Where do we start?
We put a 7 inside those 2.
Yeah, so we go to the 3, right?
Yeah.
Go to
And
the-
then where do I count down to?
Count down to 7.
Count down to 10. I find my 10. And what number does it match with?
7.
7. Wow, Alicia. Thank you for your help. 3 plus 7 equals 10.
What?
I wonder if I can get Lucas to help me with the next one. 6 plus something equals 8. If I count down to the 8, Lucas, what number does it match with? What number does it match with?
This one.
What number?
Which one? This one. 2.
2. Wow, thank you, Lucas. So we have 6 plus 2 equals 8. All right, go ahead and try this last one. 7 plus something equals 16. Wow. Wonder how far down we have to go. Let's see. Finley, would you like to help me with this one?
Let's help her with this one. 7, start at the 7.
7 plus something equals
7.
16. Can you help me count down
Goes-
to the 16?
What is it, the answer?
9.
9. Wow, Finley, give me a high five. Thank you for your help. 7 plus 9 equals 16. Wow, that's a big number. All right, I'm going to give you a moment to write these down, and then we finish the first row. When you finished writing it down or you're ready to move on, give me a thumbs up. Right, Caroline's ready, Alicia's ready. Looks like Devlin's ready. All right, I'm going to start writing our next math problems up here. So that we can look at them. Okay, the first one, something plus 1 equals 2. See if you can start that one if you're ready. See if you can start it by yourself. We're gonna start on the side this time. Something plus 1 equals 2. So start here and count until you get to 2. The answer will be on the top row. All right. Raise your hand if you were able to answer the first question. Grace, can you help me with the first question? I'm going to start with 1.
Okay.
I have to start with this one. And my answer is 2, so I have to count to the 2. So what plus 1 equals 2, Grace?
1 plus 1 equals 2.
Wow, see if we draw a line from the 2 all the way up, we find that the answer is 1. That's pretty cool. So we're gonna write in the second row, 1 plus 1 equals 2. That one's pretty cool. Let's try the next one together. Hi, AJ.
Hi.
What's the number I'm gonna look for here?
Look what I already did.
Wow, you've been working so hard, AJ. Thank you.
Yeah.
Can you
I forgot.
something plus 8 equals 11? Let's see. Devlin, can you tell me what number I'm going to look for first?
So I'm
We're going to look for 8. Everybody help me find 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, we found 8. Now what's the answer? Elise, can you tell me what number this one is?
11.
11. So let's find the 11 right here. I found it. Whoa. And I'm going to crawl my fingers all the way to the top and see what number it matches with. Whoa. Lucas, what number did it match with?
But I'm working on something.
You're working on it? Can you look at the screen and tell me which number it matched with?
3.
3. Thank you, Lucas. So we know that we can write 3 plus 8 equals 11. If you would like to go faster, you can, and you can do as many of the math problems as you want. Let's try the next one by yourself, and then we'll go over the answers. Raise your hand if you're ready to share with me. These are a little bit more challenging because we don't know what the first number is. That's what we're trying to find. Raise your hand if you'd like to help me do this one. Something plus 7 equals 14. Caroline, will you help me? Where do I start?
On 7.
I start at the 7. And where do I have to count to?
14.
14. Wow, that's a long way away. Tell me stop when I get there, okay? 7, 8,
8,
9,
9, 10,
11, 12, 13, 14.
Stop.
Whoa, yeah. So now let's crawl our fingers up to the top and see what number we matched with. What number did we match with, Caroline?
7.
7. So does that mean that 7 plus 7 equals 14? Whoa, let's write that down on our papers. Thank you for your help, Caroline. All right, let's try something plus 6 equals 15. Something plus 6 equals 15. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, something plus 6 equals 15. I said the wrong number. I'll count all the way to 15. Whoa. And I matched it with the number 9. Does that mean that 9 plus 6 equals 15? I think it does. All right, it's almost time for you to get to try some of these math problems by yourself. So I want to try some of the last row together. So I'm going to erase these top numbers since we've practiced them already. And I'm going to write some of the last row of numbers so that we can practice together. I want you to be able to do these and practice them by yourself too. So once you're ready, can you try 1 plus 1 and see what the answer is? Yes, Caroline?
I'm all done with my paper.
You did the whole thing? Wow, you like math.
Yeah, and I'm good at it too, without even my mommy and my daddy.
Yeah, math is fun. It's lots of fun. So you can keep going as fast or as slow as you'd like, but I want to practice. I want to practice our work. And I think there's a typo on my sheet. Let's see if I can fix that. This is supposed to be a 5. It should be something plus 5 equals 13 instead of something plus 2 equals 13. So on your worksheet, if you did that one already, that's okay, but it goes past what the addition chart says. All right, so our last row, we have some questions. We have 1 plus 1 equals something. So let's go over that together. Finley, can you help me with 1 plus 1?
No, that.
We're all unmuted.
Not right now? All right. Let's see. Devlin, can you help me with 1 plus 1?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so where do I start? Do I find the 1 at the top? Yeah,
What's it?
and then I
Yeah,
find the
it-
1 on the side.
I
And
want
what's my answer?
to put on my favorite color. I want my favorite color.
Okay, which one's your favorite?
My favorite color is green and purple.
So we'll make it green. We'll make the answer green, but can you tell me what the answer is?
2.
2.
I put now.
Thank you, Devlin. So for the last row, we find the numbers on the top, and then we find the numbers on the side, and then the answer is in the middle. Wow. Let's try the next one. 4 plus 6 equals something. Let's see. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on the other side, I have to find the 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I have to use my fingers to draw and see where they touch. Lucas, where do they touch?
Touch.
Where do 4 and 6 touch?
10.
10. So does that mean 4 plus 6 equals 10?
Yeah.
Yeah? So that's my answer. 4 plus 6 equals 10. So some of you might have finished already, and that's okay. And if you haven't finished, you can still keep working on your math problems. You can even make up your own math problems just by using your addition chart, okay? Bye, everybody.